Today I'm going to review for you guys the all-in-one Eufy S120 wall light and camera that is 100% wireless. You have 2K HD day and night, AI smart detection with no monthly fees. Let's go ahead and get started with our review. Inside the box here we have our solar camera. You can see that we have the light over here. Here's the camera and we have our solar panels up top. And here we have a smaller box with the rest of the material. We have our screws and anchors. And then we also have this cord right here to put around the cable. And then we also have our mounting plate, and it shows you which way it should be, so that way it's easy for you to mount. So should need 3 screws and we should be good to go. So very simple, not a lot of stuff, should be easy to mount up. So first thing you want to do after you take it out of the box is you want to put some power source to it using the USB-C cable that they sent you, and press and hold this sync button until the camera comes on, and you can see that we have our blue light blinking. Now we need to go onto our Eufy app and get this camera connected. On the Eufy app, once you create your account, you want to go ahead and click on add device, and then you want to go ahead and click on wall light cameras. You can see here, and then we have our solar wall light cam. We want to click on that, and then we want to select the home that you're going to connect it to. So I will select my home, click next, and then it tells me to scan the QR code that is for the camera itself. So once you connect the camera to your network, then it says to press and hold the sync button for 5 seconds. And the LED light is flashing blue, which you guys can see that it is flashing blue. Then we can click next, and the next step is it's going to generate a QR code that you need to scan. And once you're done scanning the QR code, it will connect to the network and you should be all set to mount your camera up. They do recommend that you fully charge your battery before you actually mount it up, so I'm gonna let it fully charge and then go ahead and mount up our bracket, so that way when it's done charging we can just go ahead and place it and show you guys the surveillance videos. Here I have the bracket mounted up with the screws and anchors that they have provided. It was quite simple, and if you look on the bottom we have another screw slot, and that screw is going to be the one to hold the camera. You definitely need to make sure that you place the camera somewhere where you have sunlight, because it needs at least 2 hours of daily sunlight in order to maintain charge. Mounting was quite simple and everything is held up by the screw. I think it looks very nice. Now we are going to test out the two-way audio.
Who are you? What are you doing?
I'm just inspecting your camera to see what it looks like, how it works. The built-in battery provides up to 60 days of battery life in energy saving mode, while 2 hours of solar charging gives you over a day of power for the camera. And here's a clip during the daytime. You can see the colors are very bright and everything looks crisp with our 2K HD camera. This light provides you with 300 lumens of brightness, and this light is comfortably bright, but it won't disturb you or your neighbors at nighttime. And you can also adjust the light brightness from your phone using this slider. As you can see, low, medium, or high, whichever setting you would like it at. The PIR sensor detects motion 25 feet away and sends you a real-time notification to your phone. And with the auto night vision and the 2K camera, you never have to worry about missing any detail. You can see even at nighttime, we have very nice colors and it looks very bright and crisp. With this being a solar light and easy to install, you can have this in front of your garage, backyard, patio, in the garden, wherever you would like. So the app makes it very easy for you to control everything, view all the events just straight from your phone. And you have controls such as recording, taking pictures, auto night vision. You can turn on the alarm, you can turn on the light. You can also press and hold a microphone to have your two-way audio talking. You can set your motion detection. You can set the activity zone. You have the motion sensitivity. What kind of motion do you want to be alerted by? You have your light setting. You can turn it up all the way, your motion detection, your power manager for your battery life. You have your video setting. Okay, if you want to set night vision what type of live streaming quality do you want, and then you can share the device, set up your notification and things like that. Everything is done on device for complete security with built-in eMMC. It stores event footage locally for up to 60 days. And this camera is a one-time purchase, so you have no hidden fees and no hidden cost. This solar light camera is also IP65 water resistant, so you can install it anywhere without having to worry about the weather. Eufy S20 is priced at $100, and I think this is a great camera for the price and the features you get. Hopefully you guys enjoyed our review. See you next time.